Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I went to the Itsy Bitsy factory outlet sale. It is actually claimed to be the world's biggest art and craft sale, and this is how it went. As you saw, that is how it went. So basically I got to know about this sale when one of my friends actually sent me a reel which spoke about Itsy Bitsy doing the world's biggest art and craft sale. And when I went through all the information, I got to know that there will be 30 to 50% discounts on canvases, paints, and everything related to arts and crafts, and I could not miss that. So after a lot of planning and contemplation, I went there with my family this past weekend, and it was a great experience. I think for me the main agenda of going there was to buy larger canvases, because if I could find a larger stretched canvas at an affordable price, that would be a great deal for me, because finding larger stretched canvas itself is a very difficult thing for me. If you are from Bengaluru, if you know any place where we can get stretched canvases of whichever size I want at good reasonable prices, please let me know in the comments below. It would be really helpful. Now, coming back to the topic, like I was saying, the main reason why we went to the sale was because I wanted to buy larger canvases. The largest canvas I've painted on so far is a 24 inch into 18 inch canvas. That is the largest canvas I've painted on ever, like so far. And I want to try painting on large canvases. So that was the main reason why we went to the sale, I could tell. And guess what? Within 2 to 3 minutes of walking in and going around, we found two large canvases, 30 into 40 canvases, and my brother literally held on to them. He was like, I'm not letting this go because we cannot risk it, maybe someone else will take it, because there was only two pieces of it left. There was only two canvases of that size, of that big size, and I wanted exactly that size because, like I said, smaller canvases can be found really easy in the local stationery or in the smaller art and craft store, but finding large canvases is never easy. And so when we found those two, we literally held on to them, and it was like, we are definitely getting this. Let me just show you the size. This is how huge the canvas is. It is obviously bigger than me when I'm sitting like this. This is how huge it is. It is 30 inch into 40 inch. It is a pretty big canvas, at least big one for me, because I've never painted on any canvas this huge. So it is massive for me. It is both exciting and scary to think about painting on this. It is exciting because, well, it is a huge canvas and the possibilities are endless, but also scary because if it goes wrong, there's a lot at stake. I mean, I can always fix it. Let's not worry about it going wrong. But yeah, this is the huge canvas I'm talking about. And there was only two of it left when maybe they had some other stock left, like behind in the warehouse or something. But for us to see, there was only two of these pieces left. So the minute we saw it, we knew we were going to take it home. And so yeah, it is home now. Yeah, I got these two canvases as well. One of this is, I think, 24 inch to 24 inch, and the other one is 20 inch into 20 inch. These are also pretty, I think, I painted on, it's 24 inch into 24. Okay, this is 24 inch into 30 inch. This is 24 inch into 24 inch. And the other one is 24 inch into 30 inch. So I don't think I've painted on a 24 inch into 30 inch one, because like I said, the biggest canvas I've painted on is 24 inch into 18 inch. So yeah, that was about the canvases. I'm really glad I found this. And along with these, I also got 2 brushes and a bottle of gesso, because the previous bottle is almost over and I'm running out of gesso and I need more if I'm going to paint on these. So that is all I got. Now coming to the experience and talking about how the experience was. Honestly, to describe the experience in 2 words, it would be great and quick. The place itself is decently big, but there was not proper ventilation in there. Like, it was very hot there, probably because we went on a Sunday. There were a lot of people, so it was a little hard to stay in there for a long time because it was getting very hot. But other than that, everything else was fine because there were so many art supplies to look at. And for us, the experience was very quick because, like I said, 2 to 3 minutes after stepping into the store or the factory outlet, we found these canvases, and it was like the purpose was fulfilled. Like I said, the main reason why we went there was to buy large canvases. And so when I found these canvases, I was ready to leave because I was really happy that I found them, and it was exactly the size I wanted and at a great price. And the best part of this experience was the prices. We literally saved around 2,200 rupees after the discount and got all these canvases for half their actual price. So couldn't have asked for a better deal. Now that I think of it, maybe I should have gotten more smaller canvases, but I'm happy that I didn't get them, because if I had gotten smaller canvases, I'd keep on working on them and never start working on these larger canvases. So it is a good thing that I didn't get those in a way, because otherwise I would just delay the process of getting into these larger canvases. So that is a win. And they also had so many other products like crochet yarn, beads, paints, canvases, small mini canvases, Christmas tree, literally everything related to art and crafts. I'm officially an Itsy Bitsy fan now. So yeah, this was my experience and definitely worth it because I found exactly what I was looking for and at great prices. So I'll definitely be going next year as well if there is one. By the time you're watching this video, the sale has probably ended already. But if they do it next time as well, which I think they will, you should definitely try going once. And that is all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.